Verifying your identity with Companies House is an essential step for anyone involved in running or forming a company in the UK. This process helps ensure that only legitimate individuals can act as company directors or persons with significant control. With new regulations coming into effect, understanding the verification process is more important than ever. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps, highlight what you need to prepare, and explain why this process is now mandatory. Let's start by looking at the official guidance and your available options for verifying your identity. First step is to access the official guidance on verifying your identity for Companies House. This information is available on the GOV UK website, which provides up-to-date instructions and resources. It's important to use only the official site to avoid misinformation or scams. The guidance will outline the requirements, acceptable forms of identification, and the latest updates on the verification process. Bookmark the page for easy reference as you move through the step. Next, you'll need to decide how you want to verify your identity. There are two main routes: the online service using GOV UK1 login, or through an approved agent known as an authorized corporate service provider, such as an accountant or solicitor. The online route is free and involves answering questions about yourself and uploading a photo ID. Alternatively, an approved agent can handle the process for you, provided they are registered with Companies House and a UK anti-money laundering supervisory body. If you choose the online service, you'll use GOV UK1 login to start the process. You'll answer some personal questions, upload or use your photo ID such as a passport or driving license, and may be asked to complete a biometric or selfie check. In some cases, you might need to visit a participating post office for in-person verification. The online process is designed to be straightforward and secure, making it accessible for most users. Alternatively, you can verify your identity through an approved agent, such as an accountant, solicitor, or other registered firm. These agents must be registered with Companies House and a UK anti-money laundering supervisory body. They will guide you through the process and submit your verification on your behalf. This route can be helpful if you prefer professional assistance or have complex circumstances. Once your identity is successfully verified, Companies House will issue you a personal code. This is an 11-character code unique to you as an individual, not tied to a single company. Keep this code safe as you'll need it for various company roles and filings. The code is your proof of verification and will be required whenever you take on new responsibilities or update your status with Companies House. After receiving your personal code, you'll need to provide it to your company or for each role you take on. For example, directors must include the code in the company's next confirmation statement from 18 November 2025 onwards. If you're being appointed as a director or forming a new company after this date, verification must be completed before or at the time of appointment. Persons with significant control (PSCs) also have specific deadlines for submitting their code. It's important to remember that you only need to verify your identity once, even if you hold multiple roles or directorships. Your personal code can be used for each role. Verification becomes mandatory for new directors from 18 November 2025, and existing directors must comply during a 12-month transition period. Missing these deadlines can result in penalties or restrictions, so make sure you understand the requirements and act promptly. Sum up: verifying your identity for Companies House is a straightforward but crucial process. Start by checking the official GOV UK guidance, choose your preferred verification route, and keep your personal code safe. Remember the key deadlines and use your code for all relevant company roles. Staying informed and prepared will help you comply with the new regulations smoothly and avoid any last-minute issues. Thanks for watching and good luck with your verification process.